In the heart of a small, charming town called Delightful, there was an ice cream parlor like no other. The parlor, known far and wide for its extraordinary ice cream flavors, had been a beloved treasure for generations. People from neighboring towns and even distant cities made pilgrimages to Delightful to savor the magic that came from its ice cream. But what made this ice cream truly special was a closely guarded secret. An ancient recipe book passed down through the ages, filled with enchanting ice cream recipes that had made the parlor famous. In this sweet town lived a group of children whose passion for ice cream was unmatched. They spent their summer afternoons at the parlor giggling and savoring their favorite flavors. Little did they know that their summer was about to take an unexpected twist. The children had always been curious about the ice cream parlor's secret. They knew the recipes were locked away in a hidden room, and the parlor's owner, Mr. Johnson, had been the guardian of this cherished book for as long as anyone could remember. He had sworn never to reveal its contents, and he had never once let it out of his sight. The parlor thrived, and the townsfolk were content knowing that the magical recipes were safe. One sunny morning, as the children made their way to the ice cream parlor for their daily treat, they were met with a shocking sight. The parlor's door stood wide open, and inside they found Mr. Johnson in a state of panic. The ancient recipe book was gone. Its pages, filled with centuries of ice cream secrets, had vanished without a trace. As the townspeople gathered, whispers of worry and despair filled the air. The once magical ice cream had lost its sparkle, and the parlor's popularity began to wane. Determined to uncover the truth and bring back the magic of their beloved ice cream, the children gathered secretly at their favorite spot, the old oak tree in the park. Under the shade of the ancient oak, the children huddled together. Sarah, with her sharp wit and logical mind, was the first to speak. "We can't just stand by and watch the parlor lose its magic. We have to find out who took the recipe book." Ben, the adventurous one, chimed in. "Let's form a secret club. We'll call it Ice Cream Sleuths. We'll solve this mystery and save our ice cream." The children brainstormed a list of suspects. At the top was the rival ice cream parlor owner, Mr. Grumbleton, who had always envied the success of Mr. Johnson's parlor. Then there was Professor Whimsy, the town historian known for his fascination with Delightful's history. Lastly, there was Scoops, the mischievous parlor mascot who seemed to know more than anyone realized. Each suspect had their own possible motives, but the children knew they had to gather clues before making any accusations. Their investigation led them back to the ice cream parlor. The children combed the parlor for clues. In the corner, Sarah spotted a small note, half hidden beneath a chair. It read, "The secret lies in the past." With curiosity piqued, they began exploring the parlor in earnest, and their efforts paid off. They discovered hidden passages and secret compartments hidden behind rows of ice cream tubs. The ice cream sleuths knew they were onto something big. Burp encountered a series of challenges related to ice cream flavors. Each challenge, like deciphering riddles and identifying ingredients, led them one step closer to solving the mystery. They realized that the secret recipes held clues to their next steps. As they worked together to decode the mysteries, their friendship grew stronger. The power of teamwork and their shared love for ice cream fueled their determination to uncover the truth. As the days passed, the ice cream sleuths faced both triumphs and setbacks in their quest. They realized that friendship was their secret weapon. Sarah's logic, Ben's courage, Emma's creativity, and Jake's attention to detail all complemented one another perfectly. The bonds between them deepened, and they learned the true magic of friendship that went beyond ice cream. One fateful evening, as the sun set over Delightful, the ice cream sleuths finally unlocked the biggest clue of all. The secret recipes weren't just about ice cream. They contained a hidden map leading to an undisclosed location. They followed the map and found themselves at an old, abandoned ice cream factory on the outskirts of town.